Is up, everybody? It just occurred to me that I don't think we ever really did a video of the shop. If we did, it was probably when we first got in here. So real quick, I'm going to give you a tour, update on everything. As you can see, we filled it up. So yeah, it's just going to be like a shop update type video. Yeah. So basically, this is it. We got our tire machines here. Air compressor numero uno for the tire machines there. Obviously, there's work being done. So like, see those wheels, those are going to be getting powder coated. We are in the stripping process on those. They should be coated hopefully here next week or two. Just a basic cabinet there. Equipment, shelving, toolbox, engine hoist, obviously. Sandblaster back in this corner. Another one of those wheels. Another toolbox. Got a microwave. Table full of crap. This is all powder coating stuff here that we still need to get going through. And then we have compressor number 2, the big guy. This one's actually not even hooked up yet. We just got this one the other day. Welders over here, probably not a permanent location. And the oven back here in the corner with, again, another one of those wheels. Really getting done. It's been pretty slow starting off. We kind of started like wintertime, and it was 2020. So, like I said, it's been like a rough. See if I get that sign in there. Doing this on my phone, guys, so work with me. There we go. So yeah, rough start, but we're maintaining. As you can see, GSX is back under the knife. If you follow us on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, you get more updates than on the YouTube channel. Unfortunately, hopefully I'll jump back on that. Like I said, I'm doing this on my phone. That is because we are having memory card issues again, so we'll get that straightened up soon. Hopefully get those YouTube videos rolling out regularly again. But yeah, like I said, GSX under the knife again. There will be a video on that very shortly. I'll probably actually film that right after this one, so look for it in about a week after you see this. Got the truck back here. Nothing getting done on that today. Just kind of got it in here. We do not have heat, so I brought that in to kind of help heat the place. And we have our torpedo down here that currently is not on because it's not bad in here. 30 degrees outside, but not bad in here so far. Might come on a little later. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the shop and stuff like that. So this is it. Yeah, like the video, share, subscribe, give us some comments. We probably are going to be looking for a bigger space soon. If you know of somewhere and you're in like the Cleveland area, suburbs of Cleveland, let us know if you know somewhere bigger, more suited for what we're trying to do here. Aside from that, we'll see you in the next one.